Hello guys, welcome to this pronunciation exercise. So today we are going to learn about the difference between spoken English, the pronunciation, and the written English. Okay, so in this video we will focus only on the vowels. I know sometimes we can get confused with the English vowel system because we only have five vowel letters in the alphabet, right? But we actually have 15 vowel sounds. How is that? So the key is that each one of the vowel letter uses like 4 or 5 different vowel sounds. Okay, so it is very important to learn them so we can improve our pronunciation. Let's begin. Here I have one sentence for each vowel. I'm going to show you how to pronounce them and you are going to repeat it. You can pause the video and repeat it, and then I'm going to show you how to pronounce each one of the vowels. Okay? With A, all your father wants is to take as many hats as he can for the trip. Now try. And the vowels are O, A, A, E, E, A, A. So you see that some vowels are short and some of them are longer, right? With letter E. A few volunteers agreed to help their neighbors with a solidarity project. Now we have the vowels here. Hu. We have ia, ea, e, 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 e. Okay, let's go with the I. The little girl smiles because she will eat pizza. So we have here E, E, I, E, E. And now let's go with the vowel O. So we have the boy go to the school, the boy go to school and then come home. So we have O, O. This one we have O, O. This U, 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 A, A, O, O. The letter U we have on Thursdays we usually get fun. We like to eat burgers and pudding. Okay, so let's check the vowels here. We have O, O, Thursday. U, U, A, A, and this one, U, U. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you can watch again the video and you can pause it and practice your pronunciation. See you next time. Bye.